Well, today we're coming to you from Unit 1, 171 Pill Street West. The thing I love about this property is it's fully fenced, so if you've got a pet, it's ideal. The property consists of 2 bedrooms, has been updated and presents very, very neatly.
The home is located in Summerhill, mere steps away from the Summerdale Medical Centre and Primary School, within kilometres drive of the Prospect Vale Marketplace and the Old Tudor Complex. This home couldn't be in a better location. I'm Brad Ball.
I'm David Parry of Parry Property. Let's have a look through.
And that's the home. Don't miss the opportunity to make it yours.
You know what to do. Pick up the phone, give Brad or David Parry of Parry Property a call today.